Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we want to find the value of a, given that you have 4 to the power of a times 4 to the power of a equals 80. Then let's have it to be solution. So from here, let us recall that when we have a to the power of m times a to the power of m, so this always equals as a to the power of m in parentheses to the power of 2. So from here we have 4 to the power of a repeated 2 times, the same thing as this, the same power, the same base, the same power, the same base. So we are going to have 4 to the power of a in parentheses to the power of 2 equals 80. Then let us recall when we also have a to the power of m in parentheses to the power of n, this equals as a to the power of m times n. So we are going to have this as 4 to the power of 2a equals 80. Then from here, let us introduce log to both sides of this expression. So we are going to have log 4 to the power of 2a equals log 80. Then when we have log p to the power of m equals as m times log p. So here will be 2a, we come down to base times log 4 equals log 80. Then from here, let's divide through by the coefficients of 2a, which is log 4. So we have this side to be 2a left equals log 80 over log 4. Then mind you, we can have 80 as the product of 4 times 20. So from here, we have this side to be 2a equals log, open parenthesis, 4 times 20 over log 4. Then from the law of logarithm, when we have log, open parenthesis, a times b equals log a plus log b. So therefore, log 4 times 20 equals log 4 plus log 20. So we have 2a equals log 4 plus log 20 over log 4. Now, let us recall that when we have p, a parameter p, plus m over n, such that p, m, n, they are all members of positive integer, this equals as, we can have this as p over m over n, plus m over n. So therefore, we can now have 2a as log 4 over log 4 plus log 20 over log 4. So from here we have 2a, log 4 over log 4 will be 1 plus log 20 over log 4. So from here we have 20 to be 4 times 5. So we have 2a, 1 plus log 4 times 5 over log 4. So we have 2a, 1 plus log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. So we can also have this as 2a, 1 plus this divided by this will be log 4 over log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. So we have 2a, 1 plus this divided by this, 1 plus log 5 over log 4. 1 plus 1 will be 2 plus log 5 over log 4. Now let us recall when we have log a over log b equals log a in base b. So from here we are going to have this as this will be 2a, 2 plus log 5 in base 4. Dividing through by 2, then a will be 2 plus log 5 in base 4 over 2. So to check, we have 4 to the power of a times 4 to the power of a equals 80. Then we simplify this side. We have 4 to the power of 2a equals 80. Then our a equals this. So we are going to have 4 to the power of 2 into 2 plus log 5 in base 4 over 2. It's going to give us 80. This, we cancel out this. 4 to the power of 2 plus log 5 in base 4 is going to give us 80. This will be 4 to the power of 2, then 4 to the power of log 5 in base 4. So going to give us 80. So from here we have 16 times 4 to the power of log 5 in base 4, going to give us 80. So from here this will be 16 times 5 equals 80. 5 times 6 is 30. We have 0, take 3. This will be 80 equals 80. Since the left hand side equals to the right hand side, implies this is correct.